asking how we can keep the crystal placed in one place, you might want to check it out. This, guys, is condensed glue gel. If you're tired of all your crystal is coming off, this is your key to keep your crystals nice in place. I almost use all of this, and they are so thick density and they are not going anywhere. So keep your crystals stay up to like 3 to 6 weeks. Okay, so blend condensed glue gels, and I am going to using a no wipe top coat and floating on the top of the unclear condensed glue gels. And this is the 2 colors. This Pixie, I have it on the side right here, and I need 2 of this and then 2 tray. You make sure you put it 2 trays separate, so then that way they are not gonna like contaminating at all. So I am going to using, can you open this, both of this on out? Hold on, wrong one. I need this Ruby Rose, not Bahamas. Bahamas I've been using other. You can just sprinkle them all together, but I want to add just a couple of crystals to make it blend nice. Stunning. Move it away. So either way, if you want to do your is a lot of you doing a totally different way. You can do however you would like it. You can do the pink purple first, or you can do a yellow first. However you would like to do it, it works really good either way. And you can do reverse line, like you can do a pink first and you can do the yellow. Just sprinkle it in. Simple, easy, quick way to doing. I'm gonna pour this back into the jars, to the bottles. And with the yellow, can I get the yellow? I haven't cured anything yet, so this. Tap it on the sides and the top to make sure they stay nice and flat. It's not feeling any lumpy bumpy. It's more chance to catching on the client's hair or the clothes. So if I'm happy with this, I am going to key it under the LED light. You can do solid colors, yellows, or you can do it ombre look like that. Great. I'm gonna adjusting it to make sure they all stay nice and tight together. Pull it back in so then you can use it in the futures. And then this one, the same thing. Can you close it for me, please? Let's drop my precision glue. Hope everyone have a great Thursday. I'm gonna keep myself busy actually. I'll never sit still. Hey, Libras. Hey, Von Cat. I'm doing well. How are you? What's the name of the theme? Love the blue and pink crystal combo. Bahama Ruby Rose. Sticker all day. That would be awesome. Okay, so I am going to using precision glue so then I can double secure all my crystals, Pixie, Diamond Dust Pixie in one place. A lot of you were asking, even when we were in the church shows or DMs, and why their Pixie after they apply on. A few days later, the clients getting really, it looks like really like dusty and is feel like the color is getting discolors. It means that they have, like for instance, especially when you're doing the AB, and it looks so like dirty. First of all, if you are forget to put your no wipe top coat on, so then here's what happened. It has tacky layers, so it's still underneath of the Pixie, so it still has tiny little tunnel right there, the edges, the gap, the cracks, that is gonna collecting all the dust in there. And also then if this one is Diamond Dust Pixie is supposed to be really gentle with the nails. If they're using their hands a lot and smash it, that will make the Diamond Dust Pixies like completely smash from tiny little beads to like really mess up, like smash up. So that's why the reason why it looks so dirty and it doesn't look shiny anymore, because probably the client's doing it too much with their hand. That's why it does that. And also if you forget to put the no wipe top coat on, that's could does happen. So I just seal completely. If I check any gap in the edges, I need to, and usually I seal it and then cure for 60 seconds, and this nail gonna be completely done. It's weird to have two beads in there. I don't know where that come from, but it was here. Great, so let's go on to the next one. We can do this as kind of ombre glitters from one of the collection. It's not the ones I did it yesterday. Today is a different ones with 12 different look. Applies condensed glue gel. You don't need a whole lot, because we're gonna place the glitter on, blend them out nicely, and then we're gonna cap it again. Which one would you like to see though? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's go from here. 1. Which one? Hey, Shanisa, how are you? See the last look? The final look for this?